Yes, my hair is back alive. She's alive, y'all. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Y'all, I have been protective styling for a couple of months now. In the colder months, I do like to tuck my hair away because of the dry air. It does dry my hair out. So I've been rocking pretty much wigs for the past couple of months to protect my hair. And I like to go in with braids or faux locks, whatever I'm in the mood for during these months like December, January, most of February. But now, underneath my protective styles, I've been rocking twists. So usually I'll go in and install small twist because I want my hair to lay flat with the depending on what wig I'm wearing, but with this particular wig, with the Lyna wig, you'll see in my previous videos that I've been wearing, I did install small twist in my hair just to keep it flat. And I did re-moisturize my hair maybe once or twice throughout these 3 weeks, and when I took off the wig cap, my hair was flat, so I needed to re-zhuzh it and revive it up, and nothing has changed. I'm still using the same products I've been using for the past year or so. I went in with my Blue Magic, distributed this throughout my strands just to wake my hair up again, and also put the Jamaican black castor oil in my scalp just to give my scalp some love because my scalp was kind of dry. And also, if you're wondering, this makeup look will be uploaded after this video. Typically whenever I do a hair video, people ask me what I'm doing on my face, so I decided to film this look with the different lippy. That video will be up soon. Now I just want to show you guys the back. So with this hairstyle, I feel like I kind of cheated. I didn't have to wash my hair and reset my hair and do all that. No, I just went in those small little twists that I installed and unraveled it and separated, and this is what I came with. I installed 2 little Bantu knots right here. My parts are not even straight. Okay, this hairstyle does not have to be perfect because it's not. Pinned it up here and there, and this is what you get. Alright, I'm talking too much, alright? So if you guys want to see exactly what I did to revive and re-zhuzh my hair to get a banging twist out, keep on watching. Okay, so I already know my hair is on the drier side, so I'm just gonna take off this my wig cap. So I'm just gonna go back with my Blue Magic and also my Jamaican black castor oil. I'm just gonna apply some in my hand and just distribute it throughout my hair, and then put the Jamaican black castor oil in my scalp. Now I know these products might be a little too heavy for some people, but my 4C hair loves this stuff. You guys already know how I be with my Blue Magic. Nothing has changed from last year, really. Yeah. Take a look at this. And my hair is so flat because it's literally been laying flat for the past couple of weeks. So I'm just gonna have to zhuzh it up with some grease and wake it back up. Taking some Jamaican black castor oil and distributing that in my scalp. Giving myself a little massage, you know, waking my hair up, like wake up. I know you've been chilling, but wake up. It's time. It's time. Now I'm just gonna untwist starting from the back. Y'all know the drill. As I untwist, I am going to separate. Ooh. Okay. I miss my natural hair. And I had did my twist small because I needed my hair to lay flat underneath my wig. So yeah, I'm not gonna have to do too much separating. So yeah, I'm just doing 2 Bantu knots, twisting it around itself. My parts are not even straight. Look, this is not a perfect hairstyle, okay? You want this to look effortless, and when your parts are not straight, it looks like you didn't put any effort, but it's still cute, okay? See? Yeah, why not? Taking my hair pick and just fluffing this out. Gonna take some edge control and just slick down these edges just a little bit. Just a little bit. Gonna take some hairpins and just pin this part right here. And because it's the front part is falling too much in my eye, just gonna pin it up just like that. And there you go. Alright guys, and that is it, my little bantu knots and the pins, alright? Let me know how I did, guys. But yeah, this is a perfect way to just preserve your hair. If you want your hair to breathe a little bit after a protective style before going in and wash it again, I don't see why not. You can just wear the twist and just unravel the twist and you have another hairstyle for a day or two. Alright, so let me know how I did, guys, and don't forget to please share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all of my social media, including Snapchat and Instagram, especially because I do upload on Instagram and IG stories and Snapchat stories on a daily basis, just keeping you guys updated on my hair, my makeup, life, etc. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Until next time, bye.